American sweet cream butter might look like a simple swap in your kitchen, but using the wrong block turns flaky croissants into flat rocks and tender cookies into dry discs. We rank 9 butters by the exact fat percentage needed for crisp cookies and flaky croissants. The American sweet cream block is your standard baseline. By federal law, this everyday butter must contain at least 75% pure butterfat, which is just the pure milk fat, not including water or milk solids. That means you are literally paying for less fat and more water when you buy generic US butter. This high water content is your first major obstacle to achieving extreme tenderness in your baking. Water develops the elastic protein structure in flour called gluten. Shows that more water means a chewier, tougher crumb texture in the final baked good. If you want a soft cake, you need less water. But this basic sweet cream butter gives you the ultimate control over one crucial factor: salt. The standard US salted butter introduces a massive variable into your dough. You might use salted butter for flavor today, but the original reason for that salt is surprisingly grim. Historically, butter was heavily salted simply as a preservative before widespread refrigeration was available. Today, massive brands dump unpredictable amounts of salt into these blocks purely for taste. This makes it incredibly risky for precise baking. When you add a random, uncontrolled amount of salt to your flour and sugar, it completely masks the delicate flavor profiles we try to build in a professional kitchen. It hides the pure dairy notes and forces you to guess how your final batch will taste. Stepping up to US cultured butter completely changes the flavor game. Cultured butter is made by fermenting the cream first, a process that breaks down sugars using bacteria, much like making yogurt. Manufacturers introduce a specific type of dairy fermenting bacteria called lactococcus to the cream before it is churned. This small step in preparation naturally concentrates the pure milk fat and makes the difference between a good cookie and a truly sensational one. We will show you the single molecule responsible for the intense buttery flavor that manufacturers try to replicate in cheap margarine. Fermentation delivers a critical chemical compound called diacetyl. This specific molecule tastes intensely buttery. It smells exactly like the concentrated smell of a movie theater popcorn machine. You are adding flavor-producing microorganisms directly to your baking ingredients, guaranteeing a massive flavor boost in the oven. The true game changer for texture is European-style butter. Across Europe, the law mandates a slightly higher fat content than the US federal standard. The butter must contain at least 85% pure fat. That 2% difference means significantly less water in your mixing bowl. Spending just a little extra on this butter completely upgrades the texture of your cookies and cakes. Butter with higher fat content holds less water, which inhibits gluten development, often resulting in a more tender crumb texture. It works exactly like oiling the parts of a rope so they can't stick together and knot up into toughness. This process guarantees a wonderfully tender, soft inner crumb, and reveals how the extra fat coats the flour, blocking moisture from ever touching the gluten. Use high-fat butter to eliminate toughness and achieve professional-level pastry softness. Combining high fat with the richness of salt, Kerrygold delivers maximum buttery flavor and mouthfeel. High-end food reviewers at Wirecutter noted its pronounced buttery flavor and aroma in baking. In side-by-side baking comparisons, this butter creates a distinctive sandy, soft, and melt-in-your-mouth texture in shortbread cookies. If you want a shortbread with a perfect, luxurious crumble, this is the butter to look for. Blind tests show that these specific European brands are consistently the best performing for flavor and texture in baked goods. As Parade magazine reported, blind tests also confirmed that Kerrygold delivered a significantly stronger, more noticeable buttery flavor than competitors in the final baked goods. Your choice of butter determines whether the flavor disappears or stands out. The texture itself is dense, silky, and luxuriously creamy, as shows how this creamy structure helps the butter maintain its shape during the delicate blending process, preventing your pastry layers from collapsing before they even hit the hot oven. Moving into the elite tier, we find French butters with AOC status, like Beurre d'Isigny or Beurre de Bresse. This is a government quality stamp guaranteeing origin and traditional methods. The French government guarantees that this butter follows strict, high-quality production standards. These high-standard butters give you the best possible flavor and texture because their process is legally protected. The specific cow feed and the local land result in a highly complex fat profile. This ensures optimal performance in the plastic range. The plastic range is the critical temperature window where butter is pliable without melting or cracking. It feels exactly like modeling clay that is soft enough to shape but not sticky enough to melt in your hands. Mastering this temperature window is the secret to achieving flaky layers in puff pastry or croissants. But why does butter stay solid at room temperature in the first place? It is full of saturated fats, which are fat molecules that remain solid at room temperature. These are stored as primary molecular structures called triglycerides. This specific molecular structure is why butter holds its shape in doughs, unlike liquid oils. It allows us to cream the solid fat with sugar and build the essential air pockets needed for a light, airy bake. Subscribe, please. Subscribe, please. This item is less a distinct type and more a transformative technique. Brown butter. By gently cooking your butter in a pan, you trigger a chemical reaction to build massive flavor. The golden browning butter develops a nutty flavor created by the Maillard reaction. This reaction happens when the milk proteins, known as casein, clash with the milk sugars, called lactose, under high heat. This specific scientific knowledge is the key to creating a truly rich brown butter sauce. The heat adds layers of complex, nutty caramel flavor that elevates any dough, and shows exactly where the deep flavor lives, in the toasted brown specks resting at the bottom of the pan. At the completely opposite extreme, we find ghee, also known as clarified butter. Ghee is nearly 95% pure butterfat. To make it, regular butter is cooked down until the water and milky proteins separate. They are gently heated and strained completely out. You are left with liquid, rendered pure butterfat. Knowing the difference lets you choose butter based on the exact percentage of fat you need for a recipe. But this pure fat creates a massive problem for certain pastries. Because all the water is removed, ghee eliminates the crucial element needed for steam and lift in laminated doughs. Pastry dough that is folded repeatedly relies on moisture to rise. Without that moisture, baking with ghee results in a much denser, heavier bake. Finally, professional bakers rely on specialized lamination butter. This butter is engineered specifically for folding repeatedly into pastry doughs, exactly like you do for croissants. The manufacturers maintain an exact to 20% water content alongside high plasticity. That small amount of water, about 1/5 of the block, is the secret weapon. When that trapped water hits a hot oven, it turns instantly into steam. This steam acts like 1,000 tiny levers lifting the pastry layers from the inside. It creates the crucial lift and perfect flakiness needed for world-class croissants. The quality of your laminated pastries depends entirely on how much steam your butter can produce. As Parade magazine concluded, butter choice significantly impacts baked goods' flavor, texture, and overall quality. Proves that this exact ratio of water to fat is the highest structural achievement in baking. Now that you have mastered butter, watch our video on the Maillard reaction to find out how to generate maximum flavor when caramelizing sugars and proteins. Whether you prioritize the tenderness of % European fat for cookies, the flavorful punch of cultured butter, or the precise % water content of lamination butter for flakiness, the better choice depends entirely on your recipe's goal. Master the fat, master the bake. If you liked this, 18 nuts ranked by nutrition, that's the next one.